All right, I think we're ready here. Also, let me check something real quick. Nice. My music doesn't come through. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So what was I doing here? I don't know. Let's go to my last note. Okay, yeah. Before that, oh yeah, I started Diablo 2 case study. Crossover office notes. This is blank. I kind of want to delete this. That's the only note I took this week. Yeah, I was gone for a while because I completely lost my throat, my voice rather, and I was like, yeah, not a good idea to just keep talking. So I was like, let me fully recover myself. Gonna be in another place. I hate when you say you don't understand. Right, cool, cool, cool. This one's also empty. I wonder if there's a way to delete empty notes. That's kind of a scary community plugin to look for. Zoltal Keeper maintains index files in all of your folders in your vault. You create. What the hell is this thing? Zootal Keeper. Okay, if you would like to include notes daily within our need pictures, show me pictures. The base form of these maps automatically. Oh, oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. This is like ASP, bro. That's fine. That's cool. I may look into this later. But in any case, let's see when the last time I actually worked on the game was and maybe what I was looking at. Oops. I keep hitting the wrong button. Yeah, I have a lot of empty notes. Glove enemy type brainstorm document. Okay, this is the last thing I did, right? I was brainstorming enemy types. That's right. I was brainstorming enemy types. So we already had ghosts. We already had skeletons. Slimes. Oh, right. Slimes aren't in the game yet. Slimes and satyrs are not in the game yet. But I did create art assets for them. So we can also talk about how we should balance these guys. Oh, I already did that too. So I said slimes would have tough defense. I need to like put these stats into the enemy, I think. And then we have to have a way to utilize them. But before I do the stat thing, before I do the stat thing, let's do the low hanging fruit and we'll just add it to the game. Also, got to look through here and see what's different. I don't know what changed here. Um, implement different movement patterns. Okay, okay, that's cool. None of this has been pushed. Very risky. Nice job, me. I'm gonna push that now. Levels. I actually don't know what changed in my levels. Can I figure it out by reading it? Level 7. Oh, I added a new level. Let's open LDTK and take a look. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Also, let me go and open the actual project in Godot. right? And then bring LDTK over here. Okay. And we'll go levels. As your project is growing bigger, it is strongly advised to enable backups to secure your work. What do backups do? I don't know what backups do. Yeah, I guess we could put it on. We'll see what that looks like. It'll generate some crap in Git. Oh, so we added a new level. Is this level 7 or is this level 7? Okay, this is level 7. Oops. I don't think that was there before. Yeah. No, that wasn't there before because we could see here it's got question marks. I don't know what exactly happened here, but we'll go levels, add level 7. I mean, also updates and update other levels. I don't know what that does though. That's fine. Base enemy T scene changed. Speed null. Okay, yeah, let's just clean up. I think that's fine. We can clean that up. Clean up base enemy. Remove default null values. Oh, this was I goofed. We gotta go here and fix up this commit. Saw so many last chances blown. Okay, there we go. Now that should be part of this. Yes, it is. Okay. Everything is good. Okay, so enemy spawner. So there's two things I want to do here. First thing is we have to create more enemy types. We're going to put slime and satyr. We're going to add them here. And then we actually have to create them in Godot. Discard local and reload always. We can lower the font size there. So what are we going to do? We're going to look at our enemies. Where the heck is this guy? Enemies. They all have their own folders right now. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to create create new folder. Slime. Create new folder. Satyr. And then here we're going to open a base scene. We're going to go scenes, enemies, base enemy. And then this is going to be called slime. We're going to save this under slime. And then we're going to go same thing here. Instantiate from a base enemy. And then we're going to call this one satyr. And then we're going to save this under satyr. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Next thing is this points to a generic enemy script. That's actually probably fine for now. But let's go into the 2D views and we'll customize these. Oh. So let's open up a sprite. Probably, if this looks okay. Yeah, there's only 2 here. Right? Actually, I don't even know. What is this even called? Oh. Oh, resource. Enemies.ping. Oh, okay. That's a good name. That's the ping file. So that's not what we want. Okay. Ghost. So this file is called Ghost, but that's fine. So let's export this. File, export, sprite sheet. I don't know if it needs to be exported as a sprite sheet. I'm not really taking advantage of any of those features. I might be able to use this though. Let's see. Enemies that ping. Where does this go? Yeah, I think so. Yep, that's the right spot. Now, now that I updated that, whoops. Well, sure, we can open that if we want. Okay, so yeah, obviously this becomes a problem. Okay, so where's my mouse? My mouse disappeared. Help me out here. There we go. So we just have to fix this. I think we have to go to base enemy to fix this. And we're going to go here. H frames now becomes 4. Right? That almost fixed it. What am I looking at right now? Right. Frame 0. Why can I still see this? Is it bugged? Or is that what? Okay, no. It was just bugged. So what is it? Base? No. And I accidentally hit the script button. Base enemy. There we go. Yeah, it was just bugged. So we're going to go here. And we're going to update the H frames to 2, 3. I don't know why the up arrow doesn't work. It was working in the other one. I'm guessing. Oops. Oh, V frames. Sorry. Frame. Oh, here we go. Here's where the up arrow works. Okay, so frame 2. That's my slime. And then we're going to go to Saturn. And we're going to set him to frame 4. Boom. Look at that. Now, the problem here is with these two, we're going to have to implement flipping of the sprite, which is fine. We can actually put it on these two as well, even though you're not going to see anything. Oh, where's my skeleton? There he is. We just zoomed out to Narnia. Okay. So that's fine. These two are like, what's the word? Symmetrical. So we're not going to notice a difference when we flip them, but we'll have the flipping logic in the base anyways. So this is fine. So we'll do this, and we'll go here. Enemies was reloaded. Thank you. And we'll look at our enums. Enemy. We're going to add 2 more values. We're going to have slime, and we're going to have satyr. And slime. Might as well make them slimy colored. And satyr's kind of good. I guess where it is. Or maybe we can, I don't know, make them a little more making sense. Although ghost and skeleton are like the same color, probably. I don't know. And ghost could be like a lighter gray. Alright, slime, satyr. So we're changing a lot of things here at once. So what I'm gonna do is go here and start committing some of these changes. I'm gonna go first to our levels, I think. Yeah. See how this changed everything? Oh my god, backups. None of that's committed, that's why. That's fine. So we're gonna go to levels. And here's where we changed. Oh, it re-imported all of them. That's wild. Yeah, here we go. See, this added all of them. So we're gonna do this in a commit, and then we'll add the rest of the junk after. So levels, add slime, and oh, I see. Actually, we're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna do the Godot changes first, because I'm thinking about it, and we have to add this enemies.ping first. But in order to add that, we kind of have to update our base enemy so that our other stuff doesn't break. Maybe just that. So let's say assets, and we're gonna say add slime and satyr in enemies.ping and update base enemy H frames. Right? Update base enemy H frames. Right? And then we can add them into levels. Right? Or we can add them here, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. And then here we're gonna create 2 more, right? We're gonna have slime and we're gonna have satyr. Skeleton. It's gonna be slime. And then skeleton here is gonna be satyr. Yep. That should be good. And then we're gonna go enemies, add slime and satyr scaffold. Right? And then we're gonna go into levels, and then we're gonna go levels, add slime and satyr to enemy enum. Yeah, this is gonna make a royal mess. I don't think I'm gonna commit the backups, because this is just gonna be like huge mess. I don't think I need it. But we'll go like this. Levels. Commit updated level scenes and res file. So we can go scenes, levels, backups. Yeah, we'll just go in here, I think. I think I can just go here and add a get ignore now and just be like, yo, ignore backups. Yep. I don't even think I need the slash. Yep. Get ignore LDTK level backups because we are not sure they are sure how they work yet. Oh, that might be why the other levels updated. They turned on backups. I don't know. But that's fine. Okay, so first level we'll have skeletons and ghosts. That's cool. And then here, what do we have? We've got ghost. Oh, I see. Let's go to entities, enemy spawn. Default value, yes. Display in editor. Always show. Yeah, there we go. Now let's put that into a separate commit. That's probably going to create some noise. Oh, it didn't actually. Levels. LDTK levels. Show enemy icon only. Always show icon. Always show icon. So kind of spawn is what at a glance. Right? Very cool. Oh, sick. So we're gonna put slimes and skeletons. Or should I put the slime here maybe? I don't know. Whatever, it's fine. And then here we're gonna have slimes. And here we'll have satyrs. Skeletons and ghosts. And let's have a bunch of satyrs in this room. Like here I put all the chests, but maybe what I should be doing is flipping this. Like maybe these satyrs will be more difficult and then they'll be guarding like a whole room full of treasure. Might be more interesting. But that's not what we're going to focus on for this change. I'm going to focus on just implementing, adding the new enemy types into the game. Skeletons, slimes, skeleton. We can make this satyr. That could be just like a thing that every time we put satyrs down, right? Let's create a note here. Add new enemy types. Today I'll be adding enemy types to the game from the, what is it, glove enemy brainstorm canvas. What is glove enemy brainstorm? fine. Where to place... Oh. Where to place each enemy. Satyrs could maybe be stronger. Does that... is that consistent with what's actually on my canvas? They actually have low defense. And like some mid attack. So actually skeletons are stronger. Maybe, right? But maybe they could still be guardians. Maybe be guardians. Yo, what's up? Could maybe be guardians of treasure rooms, right? So place them wherever there's lots of treasure. Right? That's an idea. Let's go back here. No, back here. I'll just finish adding them into the game. Is that the only ghost spawn in this level? It is. Maybe I should have a spawner in here. Well, I don't know. I could have a single one over here, you know what I mean? Instead of a spawner, which I haven't implemented yet. So I'm going to put that off for now, but... Okay, so we start over here. First thing we run into is ghosts. Then slimes. There's nothing in here. It would make sense for there to be a satyr here. Okay. Why... How come when I hit Command S, it doesn't save? Okay, that was weird. Okay, so now... LDTK. Add slime and satyr spawners to levels 1 through 7. Levels, update, tile set res. Okay, now let's make this thing work. So how do we make this work? Oh, so new ghost. That's funny. New ghost. Okay, so new enemy, and we're gonna have to change this. Packed scene, right? And we're gonna say, what is it? When, where, which? The hell's there's a switch case. You know where I have this that I can just take a look? Is my importer. Match, that's what it's called. Match. Match enemy. Enemy.ghost. New enemy equals. And I can take out, like I do dot instantiate everywhere. We can just remove that. Yes, we can just remove that. We can just remove that, and then enemy ghost, enemy dot skeleton, new enemy equals skeleton. Match enemy. Wait, where is this enemy? Okay, so I could do this with a match case. But there's an even easier way for me to do this because we're basically just making a mapping here. So let me just create a map, right? We're going to use a dictionary. Now, how do I do this? I think I can do this with a const. I'm not sure. Const enemy map, enemy scene. I don't know. We're going to call this for now. Right? And then we're going to go enemy scene. We're going to say ghost. Sorry. Enemy.ghost is ghost. Right, and we're gonna have 3 more of these. Ghost is gonna be skeleton, and then slime, right? And then we're gonna have satyr. And then we can just say new enemy equals enemy scene enemy dot instantiate. Yeah. See how we took that? I was gonna make this giant switch case and then it ended up being like this. Now what we can do if we want to make this a little bit more robust is we can say if enemy not in, is that right? Not in enemy scene. Raise, wait, raise. How do we, I don't know. Hold on. Uh Godot throw exception. Assert. Oh, you know what? That's probably better. Let's just assert. Assert enemy in enemy scene. We'll make this font a little bit bigger so I don't drive you guys totally nuts. If you can't see something, I'm going to leave it kind of small for now, but if you guys can't see something and you want to know what it says or you want me to make it bigger, just let me know. I'm just cruising right now. Let's see. Assert enemy in enemy scene. Otherwise, what do we print? No scene found for enemy type. And then we go enemy. Very cool. Now the enemy spawner. Make enemy spawn. We have make enemy spawner. Oh, match enemy type. Okay, here's where I need to keep the match in place. Actually, I don't. I can do the same silly thing I did before. Right? I can actually And what I can actually do to make this a little bit better, maybe I'm trying to think what makes more sense. Should this code be owned by this, or should this code be owned by this file? I think this code should be owned by this file because enemy spawner.enemy is owned by this file. So let's just make another constant. LDTK enemy type. And we can add some comments here. Maps the enemy enum to its Godot scene for instantiation. Right? And then this maps the LDTK enum string to its enemy spawner.enemy enum type used by the LDTK importer to convert strings to enums. Like, we could even take this a step further. Like, I created this enum here, but maybe this enum doesn't even have to exist technically. We could just map the strings to the scenes directly and then just work in terms of the scene. But I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I'll think about this a little bit more. Okay, enemy type. So we're gonna copy this over here. And the reason why I'm copying it is because I want to make sure I don't make a mistake. And this is gonna be enemy.ghost, enemy.skeleton. It kind of looks funny, right? But that's just how it is. Okay, slime, satyr. Right, and then we can remove this. And I can use this directly. Or I can create a function, which I think is what I would rather do. Oh. Okay. There may be a reason why this might not work. I always forget when I'm working on the importer. The importer is in the tool. See, like we have at tool here. It's in the tool, what you call it, namespace? I don't know. Not namespace. Tool run environment, right? So it's like running as a tool versus this class, which is used at like build time of the game and run time of the game. I guess really run time, right? So tool stuff runs before runtime. So I don't know. I'm going to try to make a static function here. But this might not work. And that's fine. If this doesn't work, that just means that I'm going to take this and I'm going to throw it on the tool side and just keep all the tool related stuff on the tool side so it doesn't have to do any communication between like tool objects, like tool classes, right? And non-tool like game objects and game classes and stuff. But let's just try it and see what happens. We're gonna say static enemy for string stir. I actually don't remember. I think it's like that. The sun goes down. Okay. So I'm just gonna assert string in LDTK enemy type. No enemy type for string found for string. You know, I did this in 2 places and I forgot to put the thing. And why doesn't that work? Unexpected indent in class body? Why? Oh, well, for one thing, this does have to return something. But that's not why. Enemy. Did I do something weird here? Oh, because I didn't put function. What? No, there's another reason. Not all code paths return a value. Oh, because I told it that we're returning something and I didn't return anything. Right? So this might work or this might explode. We'll see. Enemy spawner dot enemy for. Oop. Enemy type. Enemy spawner cannot assign the value of type enemy to variable enemy with specified and what? Assign a value of type enemy to variable enemy. I think it's confused. Also, don't know what happened to my other file here. Yeah. So I think I call it enemy in here. Enemy type not declared in current scope. Of course. Did I spell this wrong? Enemy spawner. No. Did I spell this one wrong? No. Oh. Yes. Enemy type does not exist. So wait, this happened. I just want to confirm. This did happen because I didn't have the full scope of the name here. Okay, well, that's interesting. But I guess that makes sense. Like, if this is public, I don't know, whatever. Godot is a little stupid sometimes. But that's fine. Let's see if that works. Let's look at LDTK real quick. Let's look at my levels and let's look. So we have ghost and skeleton. I guess we'll see if those don't break on level 1. But what's a level where we have everything? I think level 3 we spawn everything. We have satyr, slime, ghosts, skeletons and ghosts. So we'll look at level 2. Level _2. So let's go here and let's go to our levels LDTK and re-import. And then we're going to open level 2. Cool. Oh my god, cool. Satyr enemy spawn, ghost enemy spawn, skeleton, slime, ghost. Okay, so my naming worked. That's actually super cool. That's actually super cool. And then when I look at it, boom, Satyr, boom, uh, ghost, boom, skeleton, boom, slime, boom, ghost. Nice. Okay, sick. Okay, now let's try to do a play test and make sure nothing explodes. I like running through as Reap because he's fast enough and he one-shots pretty much everything. So ghosts are working. Skeletons are working. And then here we should have a ghost, I think. Yep, ghost. Skeletons. Oh, I don't have a key. Wait, why don't I have a key? There should be one in that corner. Oh, geez, I broke something. Oh, my slimes! Look at my cute slimes! They're adorable. Yeah, my throat's still not 100%. Every time I try to, unless my voice changed when I got sick, every time I try to like talk in a slightly higher pitched voice than normal, basically my throat just wants to die. It's like, no, you can't do that anymore. Oh, oh, oh. That's actually interesting. Okay, so it spawns them. It spawns them, but they don't have any default movement. There's no default movement type for these characters. There's no default movement for them. I should probably just put in a default movement, but that's cool. It's cool that they're spawning. Wait. Why are there so many? Maybe that's right. There should be 6 total. Okay, that's cool though. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting there. So, enemy importer, enemy spawner. So, we're going to add this. This is the code change. We want to add that separately from our levels. So, we'll say LDTK, importer, enemy spawner, add support for spawning ghosts. No, sorry, spawning slime and satyr. Slimes and satyrs. And then here, oh, poo. That probably should have happened. Actually, don't know. Oh, because I didn't re-import it. Okay. That's fine. LDTK. This is a new commit. Re-import levels with Satyr and with slime. I always put slime first for some reason. And Satyr spawns. And then I should kind of move this. How do I move this? Move. Commit. Oops. Yeah, move commit down one. Control J. Look at that. So after I add that and update tile res. Actually, I can just merge these two probably. Can I drop this commit? Yeah. Yeah. Like I don't know why the res file changed. I feel like there's no point in that. Let's drop that commit. Oh, abort the rebase. We'll just leave it there. Look at this. Okay, now base enemy actually doesn't have, oops. Hmm. Oh, enemy.gd, sorry. I see. Chase player, I see. So Ghost, super.chase closest player, I see. And then Skeleton. Uh, right. Okay, that makes sense. So what I want to be doing here, I mean, I have two options, right? I can implement the default. I mean, the default movement is in the base class. I can actually add it to the process function, right? Okay, here's what I can do. I think I like this the best, right? Uh, so I have chase closest player. What I can do here, and so we'll leave ready there, and then we'll put function process, which needs delta, which I'm not actually going to even use. And what I'm going to do in here is say move. Yeah, move. Func move. Chase closest player. Default movement pattern. Oops. Pattern. Override in children to change behavior. Do I like that though? I mean, move. I don't know. Move sounds like it actually moves. It's a bad name for the function. What I really want this to represent is like really the process method. Like movement. I don't know. Maybe not every character is going to start with movement, so maybe I don't want to call it move, right? Mm, I could call it enemy process, right? Enemy process. Enemy process, and that's basically what it's doing. Default process pattern. All enemy process pattern. Override children to change behavior. Right? And so this way, all right, and I can actually just remove this. Ghost doesn't even need to exist then. Right? And let's just see what that does. Ghost should still work. Come on, Ghost. Nice. Ghost still works. Skeleton looks like it's working. Yeah, that's not supposed to be a treasure chest. That's supposed to be a key. I think I accidentally changed that somehow. I think that's what happened. I think I deleted it by mistake. Let's see if these slimes chase me. They're not chasing me. Why not, slime? Does it not have the base script set up? Oh, it defaults to Ghost. But wait, so it should do the exact same thing that Ghost does then. Excuse me? Ghost is working and Slime is not working. What is the reason for that? Then my guess is that Saturn's not going to be working either. Did I not save the file or something? Enemy process. Let's also go to level manager real quick. And level 2 has everything. We're going to put that level first for faster testing. I don't get it. If Ghost is working, Slime should be working also. Right? Or am I stupid? So let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. Ghost. Okay, so first things first, I guess let me go to base enemy, which I think has Ghost script attached to it. We're gonna remove Ghost from base enemy, and we're gonna add base enemy to base enemy. Does that help? Now none of them are gonna move. Yeah. Now Ghost. Yeah, now none of them are moving. That is wacky. Why? Why? Last name, enemy. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's not the worst thing in the world to not do this and to just leave it the way it was. But either way, that still should have been working. Right? Like if the default one was Ghost, it should have still been working. Like why would it work for one of those and not for the other ones? Yeah, weird. Okay, yeah, so let's look at Slime. Yeah, Slime is also hooked up to the same script, so why isn't it working? And so is Satyr. Chase closest player. Is it because? Oh, debugger. Errors. No. Last name, better input. Oh, that's funny. Is never using the function. Oh. I don't have any errors here. What the heck is going on, you guys? Why would it work for some of them, but not all of them? Well, oh, I know why. Because everybody's speed is at 0. Okay. So that makes sense. Okay, so let's go Ghost, and that might be why. I don't think that was why it wasn't working before. Okay, speed 30, HP 3. Okay, let's look at my notes and see what I decided here. Speed 2 out of 10. So 2 out of 10 would be 20 out of 100. HP, defense 10 out of 10. So maybe more HP. 3 HP for ghosts. Skeletons have 10 HP. HP maybe 10. Right? 10, and skeletons are also 10. Oh, skeletons are 8. Okay, so skeletons are 8 at 10. I mean, I can tweak these numbers whenever I want, right? But if that's the case, maybe make slimes 15. and attack is low, which I don't have attacking built in yet. That's fine. We'll do that later. And then Saturn's defense is low. Speed is like medium. Do I have anything that's a speed 5 right now? No, but ghosts are speed 8 out of 10. Okay, so defense 2. So satyrs are going to have low HP. Lower than ghosts, which are at 3. Is that right? Okay, so we can make ghosts a little bit harder. So ghosts HP 5 maybe, and then satyrs are going to be even weaker than that. They can be 3. And then the speed is in the middle. Be like 20 maybe. Now slime is 2. Oh, I see. So 5 out of 10. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I need to just make these numbers scale better and like put proper equations in and things. Oh wait, slime. Sorry, slime's supposed to be slow. Or make these 30 and then ghosts become even faster. Wow, look at that. It's like more colorful now. Oh my god. The slimes are really hard to kill even for this guy. That's cool. Okay. So what changed here? Basically just this, right? Base enemy. Wait, what is this? Base enemy. Oh. That's why I did nothing. I accidentally created a new script. So you don't need that. That's why my base class wasn't working. That's fine. This forces me to re-implement it everywhere. So if I'm really like, it makes it easier, I guess. Oh my god, stretching. Sorry. Makes it easier for me to change. Not easier. I mean, yeah, that's about the same. Let's be reasonable, but it makes sure that I don't accidentally default any behavior I don't want. I have to explicitly state how I want everything to work. Enemy. Well, let's just say ghost, satyr, ghost. Yeah, satyr, slime. Tweak speed and HP. And we can discard that. Let's try this as an elf. See if I feel any pain. Yeah, that has to become a key. That's a mistake. I mean, it doesn't have to be a key because there's this path, right? Maybe it's better that it's not a key. Oh, that's a weird spot for a key. That might be a mistake. my god, the slimes are like impossible to kill. It definitely, there's a lot of tuning that needs to be done here. Like, absolutely, a ton of tuning has to be done. Oh my god, it's so overwhelming. I actually don't even think it's possible. Yeah, there's definitely some tuning that needs to be done, which is fine. Game just needs to be balanced. Okay, well that's kind of cool. So that's some cool progress we made today. Uh, I need to do some math crunching. Let me write that down. Oh, you know what I should have done is I should have gone here. Add remaining enemies. Um, Last time we distinguished skeletons from ghosts, and we named the spawn points by type. That was big. Faster players should attack faster. Yeah, that definitely has to happen. Enemy fix enemies spawning on bad tiles. Game over fires when any one player dies. Yeah, and let's also add another thing here. What is this called? Oh yeah, I can't type that letter. Yeah, so what is this called? Tuning? Tune characters. Oh, that's all I gotta do is put one slash in front. That's easy. Tune characters. Tune tune stats. Right? Tuning enemy and character. Tune stats. Balance enemy and player damage. And then also for enemy, add attack patterns to enemies instead of just doing collision damage. And this is enhancements. Why is it not highlighted properly? That one's green. That one's not green. Oh. Oh, because I never. Okay, enhancement. Yeah. Ah. Yep. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm just thinking here. I also just had a really good idea. Sorry. I was working on some note taking, not this. Note taking. We're gonna have a presentation for this. Mm, diagrams, canvas, Excalidraw. Canvas versus Excalidraw. Oh, no, I guess canvas. Built in. Mood boarding. Excalidraw. Third party. Great for diagrams. Shapes. Colors. ideas. Um, might work well with Cornell method. All right, hold on. This has nothing to do with what we were doing here, but I just want to try something. Let's create a new canvas real quick. Oh. Types, note types, and then we can go Cornell method. Right. Oh, this actually might work. Uses parent detail, style, note taking. Two column note layout. Left side shows parent topic, right side shows details, dates, names, topics, questions, topics, our own questions, right? Shows details, uh, topic details. Oops. Answers to questions. That's actually kind of cool. And then you can go, let's see, on the chart method. Chart method uses rows, columns, also uses tables. Like, sorry, Cornell method. Can you link to other parts of a sheet? That would be kind of cool. Like Cornell method uses tables, uses multi-column layout is what I should say. More like tabular data. Create matrices of information. Quickly compare, contrast information. Can I, like, you can't option and drag in here to, oh wait, hold on. I'm using my mouse maybe. Oh, you can actually. Today I learned. Right. That's fine. Right? Today I learned. Oops. Today I learned. Can use obsidian canvases to do Cornell style. Allows some colors, I guess pros. Actually, this is where it would go. Today I learned. It wouldn't go like this. It'd be like this. Allows some use of color. Allows free positioning. Allows markdown. Great for make lists in detail sections. Can't do this in. Actually, can't do this in markdown tables. Infinite canvas can hold many topics. Easy to rearrange with click and drag. That's kind of cool. All right. That's kind of cool. That's pretty cool, though. That's pretty cool that we can do that. Um, this is actually for a well, it's for a presentation I'm gonna do at work, but it's also for a video that I'm gonna be working on. So that's why I'm putting a little bit of time into it right now. That's cool, but you can't really embed it. Oh, so actually, that's another advantage, I guess, of Excalibur. Excalibur charts. Charts can be embedded. Trace charts. Class diagrams. Hierarchies. I see I have like a lot of bullet points here, so I think I should start working on slides later today. Can be embedded. Yeah. Can be embedded. You 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 have to open to see details. You could also go like this, right? And then it appears more like blocks. I don't know what I like better. Are those the same size? No, definitely not. That's very cool though. Okay, I'll work on that more later. Where's today's notes? Just do a quick wrap up, and then I'm gonna do some exercise. Um, Replaced match statements with dictionaries. Swift, sorry, GED script. And let's get some sample code of what I'm talking about. Oops. No. I have a picture of meatloaf in here somewhere. Reveal in navigation. Delete that. Good. Okay. What I meant to do is go like this, copy it to the paste port. Actually, this can probably also just be like this, and then might not even need this anymore, right? Yeah, that's probably how I should have written that. Oh, I knew that looked weird. And then I'm gonna format this so it fits nicely in here. What did I have before? I had like match enemy type and something like enemy dot ghost. Enemy dot skeleton. All right. Maybe I should blog this. Replaced match statements. Replaced growing match statements with maps, with dictionaries. Yeah, maps. Pros. Only need to update one area of the code, the map. Only one line changes each update. Instead of enemy dot balloon head, enemy equals enemies spawner dot enemy dot balloon head. We use enemy dot balloon instead of two, half as many. There's just less noise, I think. Actually, instead of three, empty space. Empty line for readability. There really aren't any cons to this, I don't think. I mean, it is a runtime construct instead of a compile time construct, but I think GD script doesn't really matter. Cons? Uses runtime constructs instead of compile time. For GD scripts, this shouldn't matter as much. I don't know if this would cause a problem. Possibly uses more memory since values are stored in memory. Yeah. Okay. I gotta hop off and do my exercise. We'll catch you guys later. I'll be back maybe later today. I have a bunch of stuff to do. I'm like getting ready, preparing for some stuff coming up in the next couple weeks. So I may be on less. Another reason why I haven't been on so much. But I will catch you guys later. We did some good work today. Let's go here. Yeah, add remaining enemies. So, alright. We added slime and satyr. Alright, that's pretty cool. Okay, cool. Now, there was another plugin I did want to check out real quick. Projects. Manage and visualize notes for project management. Active issues, prioritize backlog, backlogs, ideas. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, roadmap. That's what they're working on. How to use Obsidian Project versus Trello. Oh, these are videos. This might be better than the Kanban that I'm using. Oh shit. This might be really good. I'm gonna have to check this out. That's cool. You can filter out status. I have to check this out. What's long form? Hey, what is this? Screenplays and other long projects. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Things link, tag project, project garden. This is cool. They actually make use of the front matter. Oh shit. This might be better. You can have multiple projects in it. That's cool. Oh my god, add view. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh, sick. Oh, insane, dude. This is cool. I'll have to check this out. Okay, anyways, I'm going to do my workout. I'll be back later, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you later.